So this application will allow you to add stamp duty on your invoices, cash payments, sales invoice. So let's see how that is done. So for that we will go to accounting, go to configurations, we will go to stamp duty. Here you can see a new sub menu will be visible. So you can go to stamp duty and you can create your stamp duties over here. Here you can see I've already created one. Let me create another. Let's say I'm creating another called maybe product tax 6, and this will also you can choose the account, which account you want to go into this. Maybe let's say I will use the tax receivable account and I'll save this. So once you have created your stamp duty, you can create as many as you want. You also have to create a payment method. So again, if you go to configurations, you have payment method at the end. You can create a new payment method over here. So let's say product stamp duty. So I will choose the stamp duty product tax. I will add a code over here and I will also choose the journal. So you can save this. You can create payment methods, different payment methods for different stamp duties. You can also add the journals, the codes, and the name. So once that is done, let's create an invoice. So I will create a new invoice from here. I will add the customer. I will add the invoice date. Now here you have the option to add the payment method. So you can choose the particular payment method. Let's say I'm choosing the product tax one, and I will add the product over here. Let's say I've added this product, and as soon as I add the payment method and the product, you can see the stamp duty taxes will be visible over here. So here you can see $19 has been added on top of the 15% tax that we already have in the product. You can confirm this and register the payment as well. So let me confirm that and register the payment. Here you can see I'll choose the cash journal and I will create the payment. And this is how you can make use of this application, where it allows you to add the stamp duty in your payments and invoices. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below and we'll get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.